So I'm going to show you right now how to back up a course to save it. There are two ways to do that. One is with all of the students enrolled in TAC so that all their work is there in case you make a change later in the semester and lose something, or to back it up for future, you want to take the students out of it and all their work out of it. So I'm in a course called Moodle Guide for Faculty, which I'm working on editing right now. The menus are now across the top here. So I'm going to go to More. It's now called Course Reuse or Reuse. I'm going to click on that. And here I have where I can import from an older course that's here. I can back up, which is what we're going to do. I can restore. I would click on what I want to restore. I can copy a course, which is a really great way to make a template of something that you have perfectly the way you want, and then to reset. So we're going to look at backup today. So I'm going to click on backup. This looks pretty familiar. This should look the way it has in the past. Here's the tick mark about including enrolled users. So if I need their work and the students in the class, I'm going to keep this ticked. If I don't want the enrolled users, I don't want any of their data or work submitted already, because I'm backing this up for future use or reuse, I'm going to uncheck that. Now I have a couple of options. If I want to include everything that's in here, I can jump right to the final step. And I'm going to go to next so we see what that looks like. So here I have the announcements. I have all the pieces that I'm working on now to update this document. Brickfield Accessibility Starter Kit. I have all the pages that are in here. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. This is a very long page. I'm going to say next. I'm going to go down to the bottom once again. All the things are in here that I want to keep. The final step would take me to this page right away. So now perform backup. I'm going to click on that. It's going to perform the backup of this entire course. Hopefully it's successful. Takes a minute sometimes, depending on how much is actually in there. Okay, so it says the backup was successfully created. I'm going to hit continue. And now this backup is here. So it gives me the title of the course and the date that I did this, and it's an MBZ, a Moodle backup zip file. And then here I could download it. So I would want to download it and store it on a zip drive, so store it on a flash drive, a thumb drive, or put it up in my Google workspace, my Google Drive to use in the future. Here are all the other courses I've backed up. All happens to be the same one as I'm working with this, but here I can also restore that course. Pretty simple. That's it.